Hello, here we have got something very, very special. This is a 2021 Toyota Alphard Executive Lounge, and in summary, this is the best you can get. It's almost like new. You can see it's got the beautiful Modelister body kit on it, which is one of the options, and yeah, it's like a new car. So this is the 3.5 litre V6. It's a four-wheel drive, and it's got beautiful cream or tan leather interior, which we'll have a look in a second. You see, that's one of the features here at the back of this Modelister body kit, with the side aero parts and around the back here as well. You can see this one's had a glass sealant, so it's going to be very well protected. This body's going to stay nice and beautiful for a long time to come. Blue Earth tyres there, sort of efficient, low noise level Yokohama tyres that they sell here. Look at that, isn't it lovely? So this one had these original extra mats in the car when we bought it. Now these seats are pretty flush, aren't they? We'll have a look at a couple of the features. You've got heating, aircon, different seating positions. You've got ISOFIX. You've also got various tables that you can pull out. Lovely back seats. I guess they're sort of relatively standard. Okay, I just started the car there to bring the flip down monitor. Sunroof all round. I might just shut that. Last time I did this, a little birdie came along, or something out of the trees did. You can see we've got the air filter there. Very nice lights. Aircon vents, small filters. SRS airbags all around. So this thing has got lots and lots of different features. Being the Executive Lounge, the top of the range. So why don't we start down here in the door. We've got the JBL speakers. This has got a JBL system, which is the various TVs and sounds. Normal sort of power window controls there. You've got the seat settings there, heated steering wheel. We've got radar, Sonar radar, cruise controls, lane departure. Obviously we've got phone settings and things like that. Traction control, eco mode. We've got heated and cooling seats here as well. Now down here, got USB, we've got power outlets. There were some more of them down in the back as well. Now I've translated all of this into English. This, the 30 series, around 2018, I think it was, maybe the end of 2017, they redid the engine on this, and it's got a different engine and it's got a different transmission to older models. So it's got an 8-speed transmission. I think previously it had a 6-speed, and according to what Toyota say, It's got better acceleration, and it's got more fuel efficiency, sort of all around. So I think I read somewhere that if you're cruising at about 100 kilometres per hour, your RPM are around about 1,500. So this 8-speed direct shift auto transmissions is pretty good. It's got a stop-start idle feature. This engine is a new engine from about 2018. It's a 2GR FKS. Increased the horsepower and the torque. It's got what Toyota call a D4S injection system. Basically, you've got different injectors at different positions. Like you got some on the port and direct fuel, and they come on at different times depending on things like throttle position, load, engine speed, or even the temperature of the engine to sort of give you the best performance and fuel economy that you can get. So there's quite a lot in here. Let's have a little quick through. So it's a 4-wheel drive when it needs to be. These are all your safety features, which you can turn on and off. Parking assistant, lane departure. I think this is that's a crash avoidance system. PKSB, I'm not sure. I think that might be the parking where you reverse and it'll detect things, and it may even brake. I'm not 100% sure about that. Oh no, here we go. Parking support brake. Well, there you go. It tells me what it is at the bottom there. So lots and lots of really fun stuff to play with, and it's really, it's the best, the most advanced of all of Toyota systems in together. So maybe we should have a look at it and see what happens if we try and hit a car. So you can see we've got all the parking stuff there, and it's telling me, there you go. I won't go any further. I'm not sure if it will. I did read that Toyota, a lot of these systems will actually automatically brake and sort of won't let you hit a car. I don't really want to do that because I just don't want to try and hit the car at this stage of the game with this sort of car. Yeah, so look, it's good. It's got lots of nice things, lots of cool things. So these are obviously the most comfortable seats you could possibly ever sit in, I'd say. So you can see the previous owner had taken really good care of this. I don't think it was really used actually. I think this might have been a demo car or something like that. So there you have it. That's probably the best Alphard on the market today, with all the features. Thanks for watching.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.